Informative Yard presents kindly rotate your mobile for better vision. Fasting on the day of Ashura. Fasting on Muharram 10, known as the day of Ashura. When Prophet ﷺ arrived in Medina in 622 CE, he found that the Jews there fasted on Muharram 10th and asked them the reason for their fasting on this day. They said, "This is the blessed day. On this day Allah saved the children of Israel from their enemy in Egypt, and so Prophet Musa fasted on this day, giving thanks to Allah." The Prophet ﷺ said, "We are closer to Musa than you are." He fasted on this day and commanded Muslims to fast on this day. Al-Bukhari. The merit of fasting Ashura. And the Prophet ﷺ was asked about the merit of fasting Ashura day. Thereupon he said, "It expiates the sins of the preceding year," reported by Muslim. It is permissible to fast the day of Ashura on its own, but it is better to fast the day before it or the day after it. This is the sunnah that is proven from the Prophet ﷺ, as he said, "If I am still alive next year, I will certainly fast the 9th, narrated by Muslim. Ibn Abbas radhiyallahu anhu said he meant along with the 10th. It is recommended to fast on the 9th and 10th of Muharram. If that's not possible, then the 10th and 11th of Muharram. The Prophet ﷺ said, "Fasting the day of Ashura, I hope that Allah will accept it as expiation for the year that comes before." Sahih Muslim. When the following year comes, Allah willing, we shall fast on the 9th. Sahih Muslim. Jazakallahu khairan. Please like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel.